What up, YouTube? This is Danny back with another video, and we have another watch to open up, also from Casio. So I just opened up this one the other day, as you all have now seen, because that video is already out as I'm recording this. But we have another Casio G-Shock. Another Casio. This one is a G-Shock. I guess I did open another Casio G-Shock last week. That's right. I forgot. So if you haven't seen that video, it's also up. But this right here, probably one of the most affordable G-Shocks you can buy. So this is the DW5600E-1V. So this model is very close to the original G-Shock that came out in the 80s. So in fact, it may be, I guess, what you would consider a remake or a re-release of the original G-Shock. So there's the international warranty card, which I doubt you'll ever need because it's a G-Shock. These things are built like tanks. So let's take a look. Look at that. Isn't that a cool watch? It's very nice, very nice. So, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take it off of the holder. I may have to unbuckle it. No, never mind. There you go. Get a little bit of a closer look. So, very nice. Yeah, it is just a basic Casio G-Shock, but it's very iconic, very 80s. So, I think I do need to set the time. Time is 12:40 p.m. according to my other Casio watch. So I'm going to press and hold adjust. Not the easiest pushers, but that's probably a good thing. Alright, 12:41, that's correct. So now I need to move. Okay, so it was better to do it, like, you know, not on camera, a lot easier for me to see. But yeah, I've got it set now to the right. So correct time. Just off by a few seconds from the other watch. That's fine. It doesn't have to be exactly accurate. It says Friday, August 15th, 12:43 p.m. All right, let's put it on. Let's take this one off and put this one on. So, I've owned many G-Shocks in the past, but I've never owned what is, quote, the original G-Shock, technically. Question for you, do you have the original G-Shock from the 80s? I do not. I would just like to know if you've got one below. I am very curious to see what the actual original one looked like. I guess I could look it up on YouTube, but I just haven't, so I will. You have to lay my wrist down so I can have leverage to pull the strap through, like that. Very nice, very nice. It only has a little bit of the excess band. But man, that is a nice watch. That's a really nice watch. Very nice indeed. And then we'll take a look at the backlight, which I meant to show on the other Casio watch, and I forgot. But we'll do it here. Isn't that nice? What a beautiful backlight. Much more even than this one. This one's okay. So, not bad. It's lit from two corners. This one's probably the worst one. It's just kind of hard to see, even with the backlight on. So, but yeah, very impressed. I love the simplicity of the, quote, original G-Shock, you know. I think it's so nice. So, all right, well, there you go. Thank you all so much for watching. Do appreciate it. More come. Stay tuned. Let me know down below what kind of G-Shocks you have, what kind of G-Shocks you like. And as you can see, I'm a little obsessed with Casio. Always have been. Let's see if I can get all three in frame. There you go, kind of. So, all right. Take care, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.